Hello friends, this is Bapi Sardar. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use conditional format for highlighting your data. So dear friends, if you really want to learn how to apply conditional formatting for highlighting data, what you have to do? You have to watch this video till the end. Suppose you are given some data and you have been told highlight the all absent. Then what do you do that time? Normally, we select the absent and fill color, and we do it repeatedly. So dear friends, in this video I will show you how to highlight this absent very easily. So let's get started. First of all, we select the all data range and go to home tab option. After that, we select conditional formatting and choose new rule. Afterwards, we select formats only cell that contain, and then we click here and choose equal to, and we type here absent, and then we select format and choose fill color and press OK. There you go. All absent are highlighted here. So dear friends, please follow and subscribe this channel to get such videos. Thanks for watching.